Good morning everyone. I am Divya Singh of class 8 and today I am going to cover some question of SSC which includes a 50% of syllabus. So today I am going to tell you how to write these questions. So our first question is, how many presidencies are there in British India? Name them. So there are 3 presidencies. First is Madras, second is Mumbai, and third is Bengal. Write 2 features of Jhum cultivation. So as we all know that other name of Jhum cultivation is also known as slash and burn cultivation. So 2 features of Jhum cultivations are, first one is ash of as we all know that ash of burnt trees are mixed with soil to make it more fertile. And the second feature of Jhum cultivation is that this farming is mainly done in northern east side part of India. Third question is, who are calligraphists? So anyone know the answer? Who are calligraphists? Yes, Dia.
Calligraphists are those who specialize their art by writing, and in the 19th century they write in a beautiful handwriting.
So calligraphists are those people who are specialized in the art of fine writing. In early 19th century, when the printing was not common, the British officials appointed them and tell them to copy the official records and documents and write them carefully. So our fourth question is, who was James Mill? As we all know that James Mill was a Scottish philosopher and economist who came in India. He was also one who divided our Indian history in 3 parts on the basis of religion. So these bases are Hindu, these bases are Hindu, Muslim and British. So our fifth question is, which were the prevalent economics activities in tribal groups before the 19th century? So these activities were herding and rearing of animals. Which Nawab of Bengal was defeated in the Battle of Buxar? This question tells us that which Nawab of Bengal was defeated in this Battle of Buxar. So Mir Qasim was defeated. In Battle of Buxar, it happened between the Mir Qasim, the Nawab of Bengal, and the Hector Munro. Before Mir Qasim, Mir Zafar was the Nawab of Bengal, but he was removed as the Nawab of Bengal because he protested against the British. After Mir Qasim died and defeated in the Battle of Buxar, Mir Zafar was reinstalled as the Nawab of Bengal, and Battle of Buxar was happened in 1764. Which demand of Nana Sahib was rejected by the British? As we all know that Nana Sahib was the adopted son of the Bajirao II, the British The Britishers rejected, refused to give him pension of his refused to give his pension to his adopted son, and they also rejected him to be the to he also rejected the Nana Sahib's right to claim to be the next Peshwa. So our second question, eighth question is, write any two reasons for the failure of policy of Rajput rulers against the Marathas. As we all know that Rajput rulers were against the Marathas. So due to they were not united, they their policy failed. Also, the rulers of Rajput were busy in their own in achieving their own individual goals. So they failed in the policy. And ninth question is, who led the rebellion in Iringpura? So Thakur Champawat Sheikh Thakur Singh Champawat led the revolt in Iringpura. He also killed the Major Bruton and his two sons and a doctor on 15th October 1857. Who led the 1857 AD revolution in Kota? So the Mehrab Khan and Jada Koshaiya led the revolution in Kota. What does right again exploitation means? So, right against exploitation is a fundamental right which is given us by our constitution. So, right against exploitation means that every person has its dignity and freedom, and also it prohibits the forced labor, child labor, and human trafficking. Our next question is, what is PIL? So anyone knows the answer? What is PIL? Razia?
PIL means public interest litigation. If anybody can file a PIL if they feel that their public interest of any fundamental right has been violated by anyone.
So PIS stands for public. PIS stands for public interest legislation. As we all know that if anybody thinks that their right has been violated by anyone, so they can file a PIL. What is FIR? FIR means first information report. If any if any crimes happen and the report has been registered to the police, and so they can investigate about the crime. Our next question is, what do you mean by judiciary? Well, judiciary is a part of government that is responsible for its legal system, and it consists of judges in all courts of law. Our next question is, what is an executive? As we all know that executive is a group of persons which works together and implement a law. Executive is also a part of government.
Executive, legislative, and judiciary. गवर्नमेंट के तीन ऑर्डर्स
As we all know that there are three organs of government. First one is legislature, executive, and judiciary. What do you mean by controversial law? Well, as we all know that controversial law are that type of law which speaks in a part of one section of society and against in the other. Our next question is, what do you know about 0 hour? Well, after the question hour, the 0 hour begins at 12 noon, so it's called 0 hour. In 0 hour, member of parliament discuss about the important issues of the citizens. What do you know about civil law? Well, civil laws are those laws of countries which contains the laws about which are concerned about the safety and private affairs of the citizens. So hope you all understand these questions. Thank you.